it's Taylor here, and I wanted to give you a really quick tip using the coordinating dies from the Gingerbread Lane set. I specifically will be using the 2 candy cane dies in this set, and I want to show you how they work together to create a candy cane design where the stripes go all the way to the edge of your die cut without having to piece all of those little stripes onto your candy cane. So we're going to start with this piece that I have already die cut from sugar cube cardstock. I did 2 of the candy canes, and that's what this particular die looks like. It's connected together so you can do both of them at the same time. I'm going to take a piece of cherry pop cardstock. You can use whatever color you want your candy canes to be. So if you wanted to do red candy canes with a green stripe, you would cut this paper out of green instead. And then I'm going to take our glue here and glue these down. You can use a tape runner or you can use liquid glue, just as long as you have enough glue on the back of each of these stripes. Let me just use a little bit of tape runner here, and we'll tape this down to the red cardstock. And we'll do the same over here, making sure each of the white stripes has adhesive on it is going to ensure that it stays tacked down to your cardstock when you cut the actual candy cane out of it. So here we have our 2 candy cane pieces tacked down to cherry pop cardstock. I'm going to cut this down because I'm using my small die cut machine here. So we'll move this in, and then I'm going to take the 2 candy cane, the solid candy cane pieces that come with the set, and we are going to place them on top of our striped candy canes and then run them through the die cut machine. I have a piece of Scotch removable tape that will hold these in place while we send them through. I want to make sure that they are stuck down right in the middle. Once I get these tacked in place, I'll show you what that looks like, because you'll be able to see fully around the outside of each candy cane. So you want to be able to see that white line around the outside of each candy cane, because what we're cutting is inside of that. So then we'll take this and place it down into our sandwich for the die cut machine. And I'll send this through. I'm going to send it back and forth a couple times because this is cutting through 2 layers of cardstock. So if it doesn't cut all the way through, you can grab your detail scissors and punch it out as well. So let's pull this off then. And it looks like our die cut piece is one of them is stuck in the candy cane. So I'll take my die pick here and we'll just punch that candy cane out. And you can see what that one looks like. And let me grab this one from this side over here. And then you can see we have 2 candy canes that fit perfectly on our cute little gingerbread houses. And the stripes go all the way to the edge of the candy cane.